Okay, so this is the last game with Bull to max tier. Let's go. Oh my god. Did I just leave it? Okay, I'm not teaming with that Miko. Okay, this. I'm gonna pop that in, and then I need. Oh, okay. What the hell is that? I'm not gonna lie. You don't, as a Mortis, you don't do that. You okay, ouch. £7 you didn't do it. But I'm actually just hiding here. I'm close to Hyper. And close to Super. Okay. Yeah, I want that Gray to give me my super. Okay, come here, give me my super. Thanks. Yeah, okay, I'm not actually going to do that. Where are the other fire too? Like, I'm not teaming with that Brock. You know? I don't think I should waste my super here. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. I have high control. Okay, I think I can. Done. Bro. And then okay, yeah. Dead. Okay, finally we got my ball to max tier. Which one should I do next?